As you probably know, your Walabot is great at detecting pipes and wires. This video will focus on wire detection or tracing. To find or trace wires, make sure your Walabot is calibrated. If you know roughly where the wires are, you can go straight to that area. Wires can always be found around light switches and electrical sockets, but of course they can be anywhere inside your wall. Scan slowly around the suspected area with the Walabot held vertically. Sometimes you know that a wire should be located in a specific area, however you are not seeing it. Or sometimes you may get inconsistent images. It is possible that you'll see the image flickering on your screen. In these cases, it's best to rotate the Walabot to a horizontal position because the wire may be running horizontally, so you'll have the Walabot parallel to the wire. Center the wire on your screen, and now you can easily detect and trace it. It's generally best that your Walabot is always positioned parallel to the wire, meaning if the wire is running vertically, hold the Walabot in a vertical position, and if it's running horizontally, hold the Walabot in a horizontal position. It's even possible that the wire is running diagonally inside your wall. It's best to find the correct angle and hold the Walabot parallel to the wire. To locate wires, it is recommended to also use expert mode. In expert mode, you'll see wires as a red blob. If you do not see a wire or you do not see a distinctive blob, try increasing the intensity by moving the intensity bar on the left of the screen. Now, you're able to see a clearer and more consistent image of the wire. As you can see, finding and tracing wires is possible in expert mode.